Hi, in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to do 3-2-3 edge pairing for the Yao method, and basically what it is a advanced way of pairing up all the edges at once instead of doing it one by one. And make sure if this video helps, make sure you click that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of my other videos. But for now, let's get into it. So the first step is just pairing up the white one. You don't have to, but I prefer it because it's a little bit easier. I could just insert it into this slot, slice, take it out, slice back, and then just insert that last edge piece. You don't have to have it already done, but it's a lot easier to control all the other edge pieces. So the next step is just to slice in any direction. So I'm just going to go to the left because it's easier. Then we look at the top edge piece. For this case, it is the blue and red. So what we do here is find the other blue and red one, which happens to be on the top, and just insert it into the bottom row. So from here, I could just insert it, and now we've got it next to, and then when we slice back, it'll pair up. But we can just do another one. So we rotate and we see this one, the top row one. So this one is green and orange. So let's find the green and orange one. It is over here. So insert it into the bottom row, and then slice it back. But we don't have to. Well, I'm just saying. I'm just teaching that we've done 1 and 2. Then we could just do one more. So look on the top row one, it is the yellow and orange. So we find the other yellow and orange, which is over here. Just insert it into the bottom row, like here, and then slice back because the maximum is 3. Slice back, and there we go. We've done 1, 2, 3 edges already made, and that's really good instead of doing it one by one. Now for the next stage is, since there's 4 slots and we've only done 3, we look at the empty one and look at the 2 edges, and we notice that we've got a yellow and green one on the bottom. It could be anywhere. So we put the other edge onto the next one, so it's over here. That also takes an edge out, which is good. So it's diagonal to each other, slice. And instead of just taking it out for any random one, we can see that the one that's gone over here, which is the blue and orange. So let's try and insert it for the other blue and orange one. So I can take it out while inserting this. So when I slice back, it's taken out this one, and we've also paired another one. And then for the last ones, so we've got this one. So look at any empty edge one, and then see we've got the yellow and blue one. So we'll insert it to the diagonal one, the corresponding one. So like here, slice, and now we're going to insert it for the one that's going to come back. So it is the red and green. So insert it for the red and green to be on the bottom one. So when I slice back, it pairs both of them. And there we go, all the edges are done, and we can move on to the 3x3 stage. But I'm just going to do one more example solve and some cases that you might have that I didn't explain in this one. So another example solve. So it's all scrambled again, and so let's get into it. So I see the blue ones. So I can do a last 2 edge algorithm, which goes like this, just to pair it. I don't know if you know this, but I've got a video on that, so make sure you check it out after this one. So insert it, and then we can get on. So I'm going to do a slice. This one on the top row, it is the yellow and orange. So I'll find the other yellow and orange. It's over here, so I can just take it out and insert it into the bottom row. Rotate to the next one. So this one is a red and green. So let's find the red and green. Insert it into the bottom row. And then the next one is green and yellow. So we'll find this one and insert it into the bottom one. So now we could just slice, and we've paired up 3. Now look at the other one. So for this case, I'm going to look at the yellow and blue edge. So I insert it into this one, the one so it's diagonal. Slice. Now if you notice, when I slice, the blue and red one goes over here. So I'm going to insert it, the blue and red one, into the bottom one. So when we slice back, it pairs up this one, which gets rid of all the pairs. And then we've got 2 edges left, which I'll just do normally. Slice, flipping algorithm, and then slice back, and there we go, all of them are done. Now I'm going to look at some special cases which might come occurring this stage. So here are all the special cases. So for the first one, it looks like this, where we do it normally, so we just slice and then we see it is the yellow and orange, so we just insert this and then we move on to the orange and green, but you can't seem to find it. It's not here, it's just nowhere. It can be here. So instead of just, and we can't just take out this edge piece and put it into the other spot, because of then it will just mess up these two, which we've already going to pair up. So what you can do is just do a slice to pair it, insert it for another random one, make sure it's random and not solved, slice back, and then we can carry on with the process. So these two can pair, so we've got this one, the green and red here, then the blue and orange, so the blue and orange is all the way over here. So yeah, and that's literally it for that case. And then we can just do the last one, which is just doing it normally, flipping algorithm and then slicing back, and there you go. So another case is that if you've already done it, you've done 3, you slice back and you've realised that the last one paired up by itself and you've got all the slots done and you've still got some more, what we can do is just take out an edge piece, insert another one, and now we've got 2, so we could just do it normally. That's only if you've got all the 4 slots booked up with all the edges. Or the last case is not really a special case because of you should have already done this, but if you didn't insert this one into the cross piece and you look at here and you see all of it solved but you can't seem to find the last one, it's probably back down here because you didn't insert it. So what you can do is just insert it again and then do it normally. Thanks for watching, make sure you like and subscribe, and for now, see ya.